Hello tech enthusiast. Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT creates the poetry or how dall-e creates a turn your words into beautiful artworks? Or maybe you are curious about building your own AI application but don't know where to start. Well, you are in the right place. I am Amar, your guide through the fascinating world of generative AI. With over the decades in software engineer and ML engineer, I am here to transfer the complex AI concepts into the bit size practically knowledge that you can actually use. Now today we are introducing a new series called the GenAI series that designed like a complete journey from understanding the basic to building the real world application. Let me walk you through what we are going to cover in this video series. First, we will explore the different application architecture from the simple first 1 tier to the complex 3-tier structure. Think of this as a blueprint for your AI project, just like how architecture plans a building before constructing in the beginning. Next, we will learn how to integrate the various AI models into your project. Imagine having a magical tool where you show which tool to use when and how to control them in the all together. We'll dive deep into the powerful GenAI frameworks like LangChain, LangGraph or Llama Index and even OpenAI tools. The LangChain is used for thinking like a Lego block from the language AI, and Llama Index your personal library for organizing AI knowledge. And OpenAI tool is the powerhouse behind many AI applications you use daily. One exciting highlights will be the building a multimodal LLM project. This means creating an AI that can understand both text and image together, like teaching the computer to see and read at the same time. Also, we will explore the AI agents and multi-agent system. Imagine creating a digital assets that can work together to solve the problems, just like the teams and expanding the world. Next, for those who are interested in the industrial application, we'll cover the LLM operations because running the AI in the real world requires special care and fearless. We'll also look into the LangChain expression language, where the powerful way to introduce your AI system with the precision. And the grand finale, we are building a complete real-world project from the start to finish, incorporating everything we have learned with the proper CI/CD implementation so your AI can grow and improve automatically. By following these series, you will gain the practical knowledge that brings theory and application. No more feeling stuck after taking the basic AI courses. Industry-relevant skills that employees and clients are desperately seeking right now. The ability to build your own GenAI application from scratch. Imagine showcasing these in your portfolio. That will be great for the interviewer, right? And deeper understanding of how modern AI actually works under the hood. And confident to join the GenAI revolution that's transforming our industries. Whether you are a student, a professional looking to upskill, or just curious about the AI, this series will give you both the understanding and practical tool to participate in this exciting technology revolution. Now I want to make the series as valuable as possible for you. What other GenAI topics would you like to be covered? Or any interesting specific applications, or like in the industries like healthcare AI, creating and writing assistant, or maybe AI for the business analytics? Drop your suggestion in the comments below. If you are excited about this journey, please hit that like button. It really helps others to find this content. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any episode in this series. Our first technical video will drop in next week, where we'll be exploring the fundamentals of GenAI models. Until then, I am curious what your biggest challenges and questions about generative AI. Thank you for joining me on this AI adventures. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.